plans to make, so much to say. Tiny tasks, a busy mind, looking for a way to unwind. Then a voice, calm and clear, helps me focus, brings me near to the things that truly matter. Cuts the noise, removes the clutter. In every step, in every way, little moments start to change. Not replacing who we are, just helping us go a little making simple moments bright. From work to dreams, from plans to play, helping us find a better way. It's not the future far away, it's right here in our day, guiding us with gentle light, turning chaos into skills to saving time, writing words that truly shine, finding answers, solving fast, building things that truly last, helping doctors, helping schools, giving everyone new tools, opening doors we couldn't see, shaping what the world can be. Not a fear, but a new chance to grow, to build, to advance. Side by side we learn to grow more than we have ever known. AI in our everyday life, making simple moments bright. From work to dreams, from plans to play, helping us find a better way. It's in the small things, day by day, saving time along the way. Not replacing human hearts, but helping us create future's here, it's clear to see a smarter world for you and me.